Also, I have no one to teach me how to edit or to create these films, so I have to watch a lot of videos and tutorials on how to edit them, and all of them have one thing in common, and that is to have a script and write a storyline. And how do I write a storyline when nature is your director? But that's why I love it. Let's try that again. I was busy filming my intro and a wave hit my camera off and it fell in the water. Luckily I was filming the intro with a GoPro, so it's waterproof. Hey, fish. So yeah, I'm trying something really different today. I'm fishing on a reef where we usually only fish for Italian, a little bit of elf, and I'm on a little bit of elf, as well as we're fishing a reef where we usually fish for elf and halloum, some mussel cracker, white mussel crackers that is. So I told you guys that I want to fish the areas that we usually fish slightly different from what we always do. And so today what I'm going to do is just get this fish out. Little zebra. Don't worry guys, this is not what I'm going to do today. Fish with small and tiny hooks and light tackle. This is just a bycatch. What I'm actually going to do is I'm trying to catch some bait, because I'm going to wade out on these reefs and fish some spots that we have never actually targeted a black mussel cracker or a punzi, as a lot of you guys know. But for that, I first need to catch some bait. So I'm fishing for guarantee or stripies, as most of you know. And that's going to be our bait today. I'm catching everything except guarantee. The little stump nose. Cheers fella. Guys, this is actually a lot of fun. Actually enjoying myself with this little guppies. Another zebra. Beautiful fish, eh? Look, back she goes. But guys, if you have kids, this is an awesome way to entertain them. Grab a little 7-foot rod, 10-pound braid or 8-pound braid, small hooks, number 8 or number 10 or number 6, like a small. Find a little gully, catch some small fish, just entertain them, make them fall in love with the sport. That's where we all started. Oh man. Another stump nose. I think I should find a different gully because there's everything except stripies in this little gully. So catching another gully. There we go. That's what we want. Look at that. Woo! Golden stripey or guaranteed. Yeah, perfect size as well. You're going in the bait box, my boy. There's a couple of more of these and then I'm sorted, good to go. Oh, I definitely found them now. I think this is like my fourth throw and my fourth stripey, so it's going well. Oh, I lost the bastard, damn it. Come here, you good thing. Pretty little buggers as well. In the bait box, in the bait box. I gathered a couple of stripies. I hope I got enough. I don't know if it is enough, but I can't waste any more time on fishing for stripies because I need to get a bait out because tide will soon start to push and then I won't be able to reach the spots that I want to fish. I've identified one or two spots that I think could hold a punzi, and now it's to get to them and then hope the gully shark stays away, because there's quite a lot of gully sharks here. Often when we fish for galjoen and you'll hook a blacktail, and the blacktail will get stuck, or a smallish galjoen will get stuck, and then a spotted gully will grab your galjoen or your blacktail. But it's not what I want today. You'll see that the trace that I'm using is a lot different from what your normal edible trace is. I'm actually fishing with a full metal. It sounds strange because I'm targeting edible fish, and certainly, and the punzi will most definitely not bite you off. So you're asking, why am I fishing with full metal? The reason why I'm fishing with the full metal, it is extremely foul and harsh terrain that I'm fishing, and I want to use the durability and the abrasive resistance that a wire has opposed to mono, to give a bit of added protection, and hopefully I can force him out if I hook him and not lose my fish and be cut. I have run the risk of being cut off in the reef. I enjoy doing different stuff and something that we haven't tried before or haven't done before. So let's hope that it plays off. You guys have seen me do a couple of these things out of the norm, but that's what I want to do, is I want to explore different places and explore places that I have fished before, but just in a different mindset, and try different things. And you'll catch strange things and funny things, and I just want to learn more and more about the area that I'm fishing. So today we're targeting a punzi in a very foul reef. Let's hope we can get him. Out on the spot where I want to fish. To give you guys an idea, my background where I'm fishing, it's quite hard and I'm all on my own. It's not the safest the safest or the best idea in the world, but I love it. It's so lekker. And yeah, check it guys. Out. Let's hope there's a punzi. Look at that. Need to go through all this. My tackle is way there at the back. But yeah, let's get a bait out. And I'll actually love to be out on that rock over there. But I'm not gonna do it when I'm alone. I'll leave that for when AJ is available to join me. But that's gonna be a bit dangerous. It's not a cat shark or something. Yeah, just like I thought. But geez guys, this is probably one of the biggest shy sharks that I've ever caught. Look at this thing. It is a beast. I don't like this stuff at all, but geez, this is a big fish. This is a big cat shark. Oh my word. Guys, I'm getting a bit nervous here because this tide is starting to push, or it pushed already, and yeah, the swells are coming for me. I won't be able to spend a lot more time here. You guys can see there's a lot of white water and swells coming towards me, and I'm all alone. I don't want to be bashed over by a big wave and then hit my head against the rock and there's no one to help me or something. So yeah guys, if you're new to fishing, this is definitely not what you are supposed to do on your own. And yeah, like I said, I'm getting nervous here and it takes quite a lot to get me nervous. I can check. Sure. But there's one or two more spots that I want to try. Can handle a bit more of the pushing tide, so give it another 5 minutes or so here, and then make them duck for it. Alright guys, this is time to make a move for it. So it's nearly hit off by the swell twice now. So it's time to go. Find another spot with something else to do. See with all the bloody foam. Guys, that was fun, but yo, was a bit of a wet story, and like I said, I got a bit nervous, and I could just feel it's my time to go now. It's time to leave. But like I said, we're gonna fish 1 or 2 more spots and look for that punsy. I might even collect 1 or 2 on a critical, fish for a white muscle cracker as well. But yo guys, with me making these videos, I learn so much about fishing and about nature, and most importantly I learn a lot about myself. I recently discovered that I have a passion to create these videos for you guys, and I'm constantly looking for excuses to edit. So not that I'm the greatest editor in the world, or that I do any fancy editing or anything. I just absolutely love creating these videos for you guys and just sharing my experiences. So I hope we can experience catching a decent sized fish today. So I'm going to take a little break, a little bit of water, and then move to another spot. Check you guys there. Yes guys, I've been battling, and I'm here on an island, but I set my mind to target a species and I want to target that fish. And this is my last throw now, then I move, and maybe I'll go and find a spotted gully shark or something just to show you guys. But if I set my mind to a certain species or to do something, I stick to that. I don't want to go and then just catch whatever. I target that species, target that platform. Yo guys, the water's closing up behind me, so I need to make a move. I'm going to stand another like 5 or 6 minutes, and I need to go. Just look at this. On this island, and I need to go all the way back. There, so yeah, it's going to be a bit of a swim. You guys can see there. That's where I need to go. But yeah, bit of a swim back. But yeah, let's see what happens. Maybe there's a slight chance. Why do I do this to myself? Why? Because it's lekker. Okay, one more to go. Damn it. Made it! Woo! Brother. I don't know if you guys can see those rocks behind me, those big rocks. That's where I was. And yeah, tide pulled up really quick. But it's lekker. Yo, I love it. I didn't catch a single fish today. Oh, this far into today. And I just love it. I still love it. Guys, you all should let me know if I should make more of these videos where you just see my daily outings regardless if I catch anything. Just my normal day-to-day fishing experiences. Do you guys want to see them? Don't you want to see them? Yeah, just let me know down in the comment section. I would like to know from you guys. And like I said earlier on, I just love to create these videos for you guys. So if you like them, let me know, and I'll make more of them.